I'm going to show you how you can easily import any of my overlay packs into your OBS software. So you can have an overlay like this in less than 5 minutes for your stream. My name is Chris and I create overlay packs like this, which are very lightweight and are very easy to use. Not everyone has a specific PC that they do just for streaming and one for gaming. So I try to keep my overlay packs very light and anybody can just add them to their stream and it won't slow down or make anything run, sticky. Anyway, let's jump straight into it. So this is one that I already have set up. So I'm just going to show you, if you have the pack, how easy it is step by step for you to import it. So I'm going to go to Scene Collection, select New, and I'm going to call this Gojo. Now you can see that I have a completely new scene collection. There's no scenes in here apart from the default, no sources, etc. The first thing I'm going to do is to go to Tools, then Scripts, and then I already have this loaded in here, so I'm just going to delete it. So yours would be empty like this. You just need to click the plus icon, go to the folder that you would get, whenever you got the overlay pack, and you unzip it. You'll get all these files in a folder. Go to Gojo Import Script, click Open. Then right here, you'll see my information. So my gamer tag is Crazy Crims. And if you want to browse my digital products, you can click this link and it will take you to this screen here, which is, where all my digital products are hosted. Anyway, back to this. To get the scenes, all you need to do is to click this Import All Scenes button and then close. Once you do that, the first thing you need to do is to come back to the top of your scene collection and then remove this default scene. Now that we have that removed, you can see all the scenes were imported properly. So we have a main scene, we have an intermission scene, a be right back, starting soon, and then below here we have our nested scenes, which are webcam and gameplay. Now from here, all you need to do is to just go ahead and set this up for your particular stream or game. So let's do the nested scenes first. Here I am on the gameplay scene, and this is a game capture source that I added. It's called Game Window. This is automatically added for you. So you just need to select it, go up to Mode, select Capture Specific Window, and I have Silksong running, so I can just select Hollow Knight Silksong. And then once you do that, you can go to Intermission. You'll see it's already added there. And if you go to Main Scene, it's already added there as well. Now let's go down to Webcam. Under Sources, I have two sources. This is the camera or the webcam source and the cam border. If you click on the webcam source, well, double click in this case, you can see the cam load up. So you'll find your device that you're using as your camera here. And once you select it, then you just need to click OK. I like to just drag the camera below the border just to make sure that everything is kind of, well flushed onto the border. But once you do this, you can just go up to main scene and you can see that your camera on your main scene is now looking really good. From here, and the whole reason behind me using nested scenes like this is to ensure that you can now come and click on your camera. You can resize it and put it anywhere you want, or you can just remove it altogether without it messing with the main scene down here. So you have your main scene set up, you have your intermission set up. With the intermission, we also have this browser source for your chat. It's already positioned in the correct section, so you just need to go ahead and open it. Then you can add your URL for your chat into here. Your URL for your chat is going to come from like your stream elements or wherever you're getting your chat from. I'm going to switch over to my Satoru Gojo, which is the same thing, but this is the one I currently use in my streams. So if I go to intermission here and I type into my chat, you can see that my custom chat is coming up. This is my custom chat that I set up in Stream Elements. And if I go to my main scene, you can also see a transparent a transparent version of that same chat on my main gameplay screen. So if I'm playing game now and my chat is talking, I'll see what they're saying, other people see what they're saying without having to have the chat window taking up a portion of their screen. So that is all that it really is, and it won't replace any of your existing collections. I can easily switch to any collection that I previously had, and this makes it so easy, so accessible. You can start collecting a bunch of different scene collections, and you can spice up your scene. So you can have like your main collection, which is your brand, and then you can have themed collections like for anime, for movies, for games. So this one is for Expedition 33, and the one that we just added is for Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you also if you did grab any of my scene collections or overlay packs in this case, and I will see you in the next video.